Thousands of years ago, when the Gulf region was home to desert-dwelling nomadic tribes surviving on scarce food and water, India was already a flourishing center of knowledge and civilization. Renowned universities like Takshashila and Nalanda drew students from distant lands, while the fertile plains of the Ganga and Kaveri produced abundant crops such as rice, wheat, lentils, and a wide range of spices. Planned cities like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro featured drainage systems, public baths, metalwork, and organized trade. Scholars like Charaka and Sushruta advanced Ayurveda. Aryabhata explored astronomy, and Panini wrote the world's first grammar. At a time when the Gulf lacked resources and education, India guided the world through its wisdom, culture, and sciences, earning the name Golden Bird for its prosperity and knowledge.